This is a modification of the natural torque device showing what I think is less than 200% over unity. We can see that get this started on this side. Uh, it's able to leap to the other side, and we can see that when we measure this, not only is the natural torque able to sink down potentially, but we can see that it's showing approximately about level or maybe upward slope in the exact trajectory. So it's pretty significant. Let's look at it again. Can make that leap across the abyss, so to speak, just with pure mechanical properties. So that's pretty remarkable. It's just working on a counterweight at short distance, essentially. So we can see the counterweight actually does not change in altitude much itself. The counterweight actually seems to possibly gain altitude, so that's pretty interesting.